Welcome class 10th students. Today I am going to start new chapter for you, and this is light. New chapter for you, this is called light. So no doubt light is the form of energy. Light is the form of energy which is not visible. Which is not visible, but it makes the things visible. Which is not visible, but it makes things visible and explore in beauty in nature. And explore the beauty in nature. So light is the form of energy which is not visible, but makes the things visible and explore the beauty in nature. This is called what? Light. Okay. So under this chapter we will study about reflection. Reflection of light. So see the first topic, reflection of light. So this is any well polished surface. This is called normal N. This is called incident ray. This is called reflector ray. So bouncing back of light in same direction or bouncing back of light in same medium, that phenomena is called reflection. So what are the definition of reflection? When light rays strike on well polished surface, then bouncing back in same medium. It means light ray is coming from air and it back in air again. That phenomena is called reflection. Every angle measured with respect to normal. So this angle is called I. This angle is called R. Angle of incident. This is called angle of reflection, and this is called normal. Okay. This point is called O, P, Q. OP is incident ray, PQ is reflecting rays. So what are reflection of light? When light rays strike on well polished surface, then bouncing back in same medium, this phenomena is called reflection of light. Next, cause of reflection. Let's suppose the wavelength of light is lambda, and it is striking on atomic particle. This wavelength is lambda dash, and if lambda dash is greater than lambda, let's say I throw the pen on wall. What happened? Wall is much heavier than pen, so we will get back the pen. If same thing I throw this pen on cap, I will not get back because this pen is heavier than that cap. Okay, same thing is happening. If lambda wavelength light strike on the surface, have a wavelength, atomic wavelength is lambda dash, and if lambda dash is greater than lambda, then only it will reflect, otherwise it passes out. So this is the cause of reflection. Are you getting? Next, laws of reflection. Laws of reflection. So first law, always angle of I is equal to angle of R. Note down the point. Many times that question asked, what is laws of reflection? Always angle of I is equal to angle of R, which is true for all type of surface. Which is true for all type of surface. Second, incident ray, reflector ray and normal coincide at a same point on plane. You can see there. Incident rays is meeting at P, reflecting rays is emerging from P, and normal is touching to P. It means all 3.3 rays are lying on same point on the plane. So second law, incident ray, reflector ray and normal coincide at a same point on plane. So there are two laws. First, always angle of I is equal to angle of R. Angle of incidence is equal to angle of reflection. Second, incident ray, reflector ray, normal is coincide at a same point on plane, but keep in mind every angle measured with respect to normal. Every angle measured with respect to normal. Are you getting the point? So this is the laws of reflection. So two laws are there. Okay. Third, types of reflection. So there are two types of reflection. First is called regular. When light strike on well polished surface as like this, which is plain and smooth surface, incident ray, reflector ray, incident ray, reflector ray, incident ray, reflected ray. What we are getting? We are getting there is a fixed order of incident rays and reflected ray. Such type of reflection is called regular reflection. So what are regular reflection? If surface is plane, first condition, and there is a order of incident ray and reflecting ray, this diagram shows the regular reflection. So there are two types of reflection. First is called regular, second is called irregular reflection. If let's suppose this surface is rough surface, as like zigzag, incident ray, reflected ray, incident ray, reflected ray, incident ray, reflected ray. What we are getting? There is a no order of incident rays and reflected rays. Such type of surface is called irregular reflection. So there are two types of reflection. First is called regular reflection. For regular reflection, surface should be smooth and there should be the order of incident ray and reflected ray. And for irregular surface, surface is curvical or surface is zigzag or irregular surface on which there is no order between incident ray and reflected ray. This reflection is called irregular reflection. But keeping in mind, laws of reflection will follow for regular as well as irregular. Let's suppose we trace the normal here. What we get here? This is called angle of I, this is called angle of R, and this is called normal. So again, I is equal to R, incident ray, reflected ray, normal coincide at a same point. So today we got the answer. First, what is the reflection? What is cause of reflection? What is the laws of reflection? And what is the types of reflection? So there are two types, regular reflection and irregular reflection. So okay, so that's all for today. Next day we will study about mirrors. Okay, that's all.